we got one of the biggest jobs we've ever had. It was to supply over $100,000 worth of plants to a very elaborate and very beautiful, well-designed garden. Actually, it's been designed by Paul Bangay in sort of inner suburbs of Melbourne, and the plants were all to be delivered on one day. And we had 4 or 5 trucks come here. We brought a forklift in, a crew of people. We brought all these plants in. The landscapers planted them as per the Paul Bangay plan, and it's 5 months down the track. It's springtime, and it's all coming to life and starting to look fabulous. And I'll take you on a tour and have a look at it. It's really beautiful. This is Canary Island ivy, and I love it. It has big luscious leaves, and at this time of year you've got the lovely light new spring growth, and you've got the old dark leaf, and I love it. Look, it reminds me of the look of a Monet painting, and we've got long edges of Canary Island ivy looking really, really fabulous. Here we have the Alba Magna azalea, and they're flowering beautifully. Alba Magnas have lovely white flowers, green foliage. They're very hardy to sun or shade, and they grow quite vigorously, and these are used here as an infill. And then behind them we've got the snow maiden, and the snow maidens are really doing well, and they'll fill up this area here with fine dark green foliage, nice contrast to the azaleas. And in springtime, early spring, late winter, they'll be covered in beautiful white flowers, very densely covered in beautiful white flowers. So that's the sort of the main infill in the gardens. We have a teddy bear magnolia, and I had to search all over Australia to get a beautiful, thick, bushy specimens like this, because these are major features in this garden. And we brought these down from northern New South Wales. They're quite old actually, and it's your classic proper teddy bear shape, beautiful dense foliage, really looking fabulous. And it'll be another few months and you'll start to see a few nice white flowers here as well. So teddy bear magnolia. The garden frames this beautiful fountain, and the owner designed it herself, and she said it was really quite difficult to design. I've never seen anything like it before. It's just this lovely dark square full of water, and it just gently drips and overflows onto this grate here and is recirculated, and it gives a lovely soft water sound all day long, and looks really, really beautiful and very, very sort of interesting and kind of modern, but really goes with the garden. So beautiful fountain. So we supplied advanced ficus flash, nice tall ones like this, and they're just settling in and they're just starting to take off. Now by the end of summer these will be a metre taller than what they are now, because they're nicely set up. And then what I love is down the base here, the garden edge along the edge of the driveway is Canary Island ivy again. Looks really beautiful. Do you want a really low maintenance way of covering a large area of ground? What's interesting, this is a Canary Island ivy lawn, and it was planted only 5 months ago. Good sized plants and planted fairly densely, but look at it now. It's really a no maintenance area, light trim once a year, and basically if leaves and things fall down, they just tend to fall in and get lost in the middle here. So it really is a low maintenance yet exciting and beautiful garden feature, and you can put them on an embankment, use them to cover the whole front garden, put some nice topiary box in it, or silver birches or something like that. It's something that is very, very low maintenance, really quite cheap and easy to do, and in no time at all looks fabulous. I mean, just take a look at this Canary Island ivy lawn here, 5 months old.